Hi, everybody. This is your fearless leader, Terry, speaking, and I'd like to welcome you to the February update. Now, there's a couple things going on this month, and then I also want to show you the projects for this month. So, first, the projects. We have two big projects and another quickie. So, the quickie is just to show you how to do this type of a binding on a cover. Some people don't know. Yes, that's not finished. It's a not finished cover. Then our big project is our final winter lap book. This was the winter of lap books. And this one is good sized and it's called Winter Cottage. Okay, so we're going to make that. And it's a pretty good sized tutorial. Then we're also going to have another large project with my design team project for Line Dot Arrow. Sorry about that. Everything is falling over here. Now, the design team project for Line Dot Arrow this month, the hashtag is Shabby Your Art. So Shabby Your Art, all one word. And we're working with 5 Shabby Junk Journal digital kits. And these, are them. Now, I don't even have all of them printed out. So the first one is Romantic Shabby Valentine. Now, I'm just going to show you the cover page because if you go over to youtube.com at line.arrow, then you will find the information that I'm about to give you in just a minute. But I'm not going to go through the kits because she does. Okay, so there's going to be Romantic Shabby Valentine pages, right? And I didn't print these out because I don't really do Valentines. We're going to have the Romantic Shabby Collage pages. Yes, I'm reading this backwards off the screen. I am. Backwards to me, anyway. And this kit is, I don't see where it says on there, 14 pages, the collage pages. The Valentine kit is 12 pages. And the Shabby Floral Journal kit, which I did print out the whole thing, is 23 pages long. And these are some samples of the pages that are in there. Then the Romantic Shabby Background pages, which is 10 pages. The Romantic Shabby Ephemera pages, which is 16 pages long. So there's a whole ton of ephemera in here that matches the other 4 kits. Okay, so I'm going to make a big project out of that. Not really sure what. Total is, let's see, 26, 46, 49, 59, 69, 75 pages. Plus, of course, you get 40% off of the kits with the code LDADT40. And that stands for Line Dot Arrow Design Team 40. So I will put that will be written down underneath each of the videos that I do for my tutorial for Line Dot Arrow. All I can see are those temporary teeth from my dentist that they stuck in there. Don't ask me, but that's all I can see. Sorry. Anyway, so now we're on to the Line Dot Arrow challenges and the giveaway that we participate in every month. So this week there's going to be 4 challenges instead of 3. So you're going to have 4 different projects that you can do and 4 different sets of freebies. Week 1 starts on February 3rd, and each week is going to be a different project, and I'm not going to tell you what it is because you need to go over to the YouTube Line Dot Arrow YouTube channel and you get a flip through for all 5 kits, and then there'll be a second video with the first week's challenge and how to get the freebies. Okay, so there's going to be, of course, the 5 Facebook groups participating in the collaboration, And that's, of course, the Line Dot Arrow Junk Journal group. She's the host, of course, Natalie. Then Sweet Pea Papers, which is me, and Junk Journal Tutorials and More, which is me, and Two Sister Jam, and Haystack Crafty Corner. So all of us are going to be going together in promoting this collaboration like we always do every month. And then you guys probably know all this by now. There's 5 drawings. There's one in each group at the end of the month. Well, probably the beginning of March. No. Yes, the beginning of March. This is the February update. This has just been a day. We've been downloading kits and doing all this stuff and deciding what we're going to do. So there's 5 drawings, and that means there's 15 prizes. First place is 3 digital kits by Line Dot Arrow. Second place is 2 digital kits by Line Dot Arrow. And third place is 1 digital kit by Line Dot Arrow, except at Two Sister Jam. Their first through third place prizes are all physical prizes from their shop at Two Sister Jam, at their Etsy shop. So very cool. So how do you enter? You can post your project in any or all of the participating Facebook groups. Remember, you want to post your project in all 5 to get the most chances to win in the 5 different drawings. So each post is an entry, freebies only. Use the freebie papers only. It's 1 entry per post. If you use the freebies and the kit papers, then that's 2 entries per post. If you use just the kit papers, that's also 2 entries per post. Make sure you detail in your post whether you use the freebies or the freebies and the kit so we know how many entries to give you. If you don't mention what you used, then you're going to get one entry no matter what it was that you used. Okay, so don't come back and ask me to change them because it's too late. Too late. Okay, so make sure to use Shabby Your Art in your post, the hashtag Shabby Your Art in your post, so that you can get entered. If you don't use the hashtag, then your entry does not count. Okay, and so the drawings to be announced in the beginning of March. I wrote April. The beginning of March. Okay, so that's all I've really got for this month's update. I was floating the idea of the mentorship program, but it doesn't look like there's a lot of interest in it. I would have thought people would want help and people would want to give help, but I guess that's not a good idea. I don't know. Anyway, so you guys think about it. Take the poll and let me know what you want to do, and then we'll do that. If you don't want to do it, that's cool. We won't do it. But if you do, I think it would be fun. You guys could meet each other and help each other, and I think it would be a good time. I've had a couple of mentees, and it's been fun, and we've both, learned something. There's always back and forth. So, like I said, that's it for this update. I'll see you in next month's update. Should I say it? Second for you and a day for me? No, it's going to be a month for you and a month for me. Okay, bye-bye.